In a matter of days, you also can be making money online sending emails, and I will show you how it's been done. Alright, so this won't be the random make money with email tutorial video you see on YouTube, but a different way that anyone with patience to watch this video to the very end can use to start collecting his own profit without even too much hard work. So let's see what I'm talking about. Right here you can see here on my dashboard, and you see how much money I've made in the last 7 days, and even today you can see how much money I've earned. And that's not all. I also have close friends testifying of this method, just like my friend here Isaac, who made his first $400 using this technique too. So what I want you to do is to watch this video to the very end, because this method would require you watch, alright, and be patient so that you understand how the technique works and you can start using it to start making real money for yourself online just by sending simple emails. Alright, so now I'm going to be giving you the exact blueprints to use in making your own money while you send simple emails anytime you need money. So the first step we need to accomplish is to find email addresses that we can reach out to for money, which simply means that we are going to be building an email list. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do that. Remember, I told you all of these things, you're going to be doing them for free without paying a penny, and this is not going to be hard work compared to the result that you'll be getting after implementing it. So there are plenty of ways to get such emails, alright, but this one is one of the many methods that I use in collecting emails. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be collecting emails from potential leads on WhatsApp. I know you have WhatsApp on your phone. Many of us make use of WhatsApp, and this is where you're going to be using WhatsApp to get email addresses of people who are willing to pay you money for it. So I promise you, if you follow me along closely, this method can really help you grow an email list really fast, and most of all, help you to start making quick money online. So what you need to do right now is to get WhatsApp ready, just like I have already. And right now, you and I are victims of either joining or creating a WhatsApp group based on our interests. So what we need to do right now is to join any of these WhatsApp groups out there that provides valuable information to its members. I mean, for an instance, you see this group that I joined basically teaches people how to make money online. So which for me, it's a good thing, because I will also be selling to people different kinds of product that would help them make money online. So this can either be my own product or maybe some affiliate product, and I'm going to talk about this later on in this video. So once we have successfully identified that group based on our interests, right, or what you want to provide them with in exchange for money, then we need to go ahead and extract their contact details, which is popularly known as their WhatsApp number. So to do this, you need to follow me closely, because here is a trick that you can use to accomplish that. You want to come over to this particular area on your computer screen, and now you see that if you hover around, all the contact here will be displayed to you. So now what you need to do right now is you want to go ahead and right click on your mouse, and once you do that, you will be left with so many options right here. But what you need to do is you want to click on this one here that says inspect, and once you do that, you're going to be finding all their contact being displayed right here on your screen. Now you can see the highlighted ones here are the contact of every member in this group. So this is a simple trick that can be used to find contact addresses of anybody here on WhatsApp. So what you're going to do right now, you just want to copy the highlighted numbers, all right? You want to copy all of that. Now, the next thing you have to do right now is to open up a notepad or Google Docs and paste those copied contact right here. So this is the first thing we have to do. We need to find contact addresses of people that we want to reach out to. Now, so very well, now that we have access to reach out to all of these guys right here, because we have access to their phone contact, we need to reach out to them because we need their email addresses. So now to do that, we need a WhatsApp box sending tool, and I can also help you with that. Right now, you want to come over to Chrome Web Store. You can find many free tools that would help you send bulk messages directly on WhatsApp, but for me, I make use of one of the best one, which is this. You want to come here and search for Premium Sender, and right here, when you do that, you can see this one right here, this particular one here. This is the tool I use to send bulk messages on WhatsApp, and you also can use it absolutely for free. So go ahead and install this tool into your computer, and once done, you want to go ahead and open up this tool, and once you've done that, you should see what the software looks like. So here's exactly what the software dashboard looks like. Now remember, we have your phone contact, right? We'll be needing an opt-in page. So basically, an opt-in page, or the main reason why we need an opt-in page, is to collect the email addresses of our new WhatsApp friend. Remember, the whole idea is to get your email address so that we can start sending them emails that we will in return earn us money online. Now to do this, I have also created my own free opt-in page using ConvertKit. So ConvertKit is the email marketing software that I am making use of. So any other email marketing software of your choice can help you create a simple opt-in page, and mostly all for free. You don't have to pay money to create an opt-in page. This one here is a free one, and you can see how easy and how simple it is to create. So now that you see what my opt-in page looks like, simple and straightforward, I'm telling them to provide me with their email address in exchange for a free email marketing course. So now I believe you're beginning to understand the whole process better, right? So once we have our opt-in page created, then we move over to adding the opt-in page link to our WhatsApp message for sending. Now you see that I have my own message crafted out already, and for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and copy it. And now once I've been able to copy that, I'm going to come back to our WhatsApp to write. So right here is where I'm going to be having the message imputed. And now once I've been able to do that, I would also add my contact WhatsApp numbers here. And now good, you can see that all is set and ready to go out for blasting. But right before I do that, quickly, I would love to remind you of the whole process again. I know many of you who are not familiar with this marketing technique can really get disturbed by it, but let me explain well better now. So you find people on WhatsApp who you can provide them with something valuable in exchange for money. So let's say I find groups of people who are interested in making money online. Of course, I can go out there and find product on how to make money online, or maybe I can basically create my own product, and while I pitch it to these guys, I can in return make money. So originally, many people would want to go on WhatsApp and start spamming, but then you don't want to spam, you want to do this like the pro. So what we're going to be doing is that we are going to be getting their email address in exchange for a newbie, something called a lead magnet. So once we have them on our email list, simply it means that these guys gave us access to their email address, so we can send them emails. So when you start sending them emails, that is when you yourself begin to make money. So now the whole idea is that we converted cold people who don't know us from anywhere. We brought them into our email list, and they did that on their own accord. So there is no way we are going to be spamming them, right? And I can assure you that if you have people who are imputing their email address by themselves, all right, you should know that majority of your emails will be going directly into their inbox folder. So you are not spamming. We are converting people who don't know us. We are converting them into people who will definitely give us money for giving them something valuable. So I believe you now understand how the whole technique works. So right now, to test this WhatsApp tool, I'm going to go ahead and click on start right here, and I want you to watch for yourself how the software begins to send bulk messages out. So now you see that this tool has begun sending messages, and you can see on my behalf, so I don't have to be the one sending all this manually. So depends on how many contacts you can get from each group. I mean, if you have contact of maybe 500 people in a group, you should know that this tool can help you send out all your bulk messages without you putting in the hard work, and all of this basically works for free. So on autopilot, you can have your WhatsApp messages going out. So you can reach out to hundreds of people in few minutes here on WhatsApp. So with this method, you can quickly build an email list of people in need of your product or service. So once they start seeing your message, all right, they read through and they see the kind of value you are providing them with. Just like me, who said if they are interested in a free email marketing course, they can get that by giving me their email address. So you want to provide value, because once you do that, you are going to be building familiarity between yourself. So once this person is giving you his or her email address, it means to some extent this person can trust you. So now once you have this person already in your email address, or your email list rather, you can now go ahead and start pitching to this person, and you can be making real money from it. So the whole thing is that you have an email list that can give you money anytime you need it. And I tell you that if you practice this for days, you yourself will be making real money online without any hassle. and more videos are incoming on diverse methods on how you yourself can grow your outreach scheme and you can be making real money online for yourself. So I'll also see you in my other videos where I'll be talking about different ways and methods on how to make money online just by practicing email marketing. And if you want to see content like that, make sure to subscribe, like, and go ahead and ask me your question if you do in the comment section below. So take care of yourself and bye.